Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Solana is doing today. So looking at the weekly chart, usually how I like to start, we retested the 20-week moving average, which was good. Now, depending on where you put your fibs, but the last ones that I just used the high from the low, and we are below the 23.6% fib, which is usually not that good, but it's okay. Let's look at the daily chart. See what the daily chart is telling us. So, if you're looking to buy, I wouldn't buy any right now. I kind of would want to stand aside. A couple of things. It looks like we made this last high, and then a low. We couldn't break the previous high, and then we did it again. So it looks like we might be making a double top. If that is the case, this could be somewhat of a nasty pullback. Possibly we could see it all the way down to about 110 bucks, the 200-day moving average. Is it going to happen? Probably not, but it's a possibility. We definitely want to see above the 20 and 50 moving average before we do anything. And let's just draw some trend lines. This looks like it could be a channel, so let's just try to put some stuff together here. See what this is telling us. Let's see. Yeah, I wouldn't be buying anything right now because it looks like we might drift lower again. If we just change this fibs, let's just move the fibs a little bit. So we're gonna do there. So if we go all the way back to September 21st, that low, to the high of November 7, so those fibs are being respected quite a bit, as you can tell. Look, right here, right there, right there. So, and look, we went all the way down to 154, and our little flash crash from yesterday. So, yeah, I would wait, because if we just break 193, this is not gonna look pretty for the time being, because we're more likely just gonna keep drifting lower. These moving averages are going to be about here or so before they get kind of clumped up, and then that will give time for the 200-day moving average to catch up and then hold up at 154. So I wouldn't do anything until at least we break above 250 bucks. Then we're talking. If that's the case, then first objective, and then here's your second objective. So that will be your objectives. 308, 359, but we still have a minute before we get there, so I would hang tight, because even if we today or tomorrow we get a nice bullish setup, and then we have a nice bullish engulfing candle here, and we go up to like 215, 220, then you're so close to the range and you're so close to this fib that you're probably going to get, there's going to be a lot of sideways. We're going to have to get like some nice momentum going before we can break higher. Right now, the markets are pretty spooked out, if you ask me. As a matter of fact, I was expecting this drop not in a one day. So it kind of spooked me out. So something to keep in mind, because we might just be bearish the whole December before we make a bottom and then start blasting higher. So just keep that in mind, guys. Just want to make sure nobody loses money, and if we lose some money, we do it. We use our techniques to preserve our capital as much as possible. So if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.